We rented a kid, and that's me! The same old guy who got 2 songs. I never saw that!
Why did you change your clothes?
I'm hot.
Looks familiar, doesn't it?
Hey, Tubers.
Conrad, what's the matter?
Hey, K-Life. I think you look fat. PH fat.
Oh no, do you have an owie?
I'm gonna show the camera. Here, I'll make it feel better.
Oh, yuck. Quentin licked it. Did you just change your clothes too?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm too hot.
Oh my goodness.
Hey,
This
this guy.
is fragile.
Fragile. Cisco. I love you.
Francesco Fragile.
And Mr. Emmett is playing the piano for us while we unbox the TV.
Relaxing music.
I like relaxing music.
I watch Wolfie and do my bed's food.
Good job. Alright, shall we unbox this thing?
Yeah! Wait. Can I put on epic? Let's record it!
No.
First.
Music.
Record it! Record the TV!
I am recording.
I obviously can do it.
No, don't get in there with that again. We're unboxing.
Hey, buddy.
Are you gonna watch or are you gonna get in there with the unboxing?
I'll get in there.
I think maybe you need some help there.
Possibly. Okay, so TV stand, a part of, I'm assuming.
These don't come off.
I don't think we're gonna need that.
These don't come off.
I'm thinking that you should probably lay it on its side.
Okay.
And I would say,
No, don't.
let's turn it this way, and then you can pull it out that way.
Let me just see if this. Actually, no. You know what? No.
Can't. In the instructions, they even say do not flip this side.
No, don't poke it. Okay, so.
It says lift edges, not screws.
Yep. Just taking out all the extra
My God.
packaging. Okay,
Oh
careful.
my gosh.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh. And
Hey,
wow,
hey,
here's the
Conrad,
TV.
We need to
Do
see.
not hang on the
We
cardboard.
need to see if the screws don't
Hang on the cardboard.
Hey.
No, please don't hang on the
We
cardboard.
need to see if the.
It's not broken.
No, remember when Conrad.
It's not broken. I'm sure it's not. There's so much
Lindsay.
styrofoam.
It's
Okay, honey, I need you to come up to the side.
I don't.
But I need to stand here, honey. Okay, so, Mom, I think you're gonna lift, and I'm gonna lift.
Weird.
Side corners. Top corners, not screen.
No? Okay, here.
It's too slippery.
Okay. So we've got this.
Sit down and play. Someone's playing number.
This thing is gigantic.
Oh, Conrad, please stay away from the equipment.
Oh, what's
Okay, so all that's left in there is styrofoam for right now. So I think we're just gonna slide that out of there. This thing is gigantic. Gigantic. Clinton, can you take this out of the way? Yep. And why don't you, instead of putting that in front of the camera, can you put it over here? Alright, so next thing we need to do is I need to attach the rear TV mounts.
I want to see what's inside the TV. But all I know know that's inside a TV is the 3 colors, the 3 light bulbs that control the screen. And there is 3 light bulbs inside the TV. That's what gives you the screen.
Okay.
And it completely functions right.
Okay. Okay, those are not it. Let's try this one.
He's killing the beds. He's killing the beds. Oh.
That would be it.
Somebody, there's a YouTube channel. It's called What's Inside, and that's how I learned what's inside the TV. There is 3 colors that control the screen.
So,
There is 3 colors that control the screen. Really?
just as a washer,
Really?
that's what I think I'm gonna do.
Sup, K-lifers?
Alright.
He's playing my song. I just heard him play my
Good job, Mr. Emmett. Ode to Joy.
song. He just played Ode to Joy.
Well
do it
done.
again. Do it again.
Wrong one again. Silly Dad. I need one that's got a wide enough diameter. Nope. It's gotta be this one.
Dad, do you want to see my thing after this?
Good job, buddy. Good job teaching them. Hey, Emmett, would you like lessons? I don't know how to do it. I'm saying we figure out a way to get a.
Don't explain I'll wet
It'll be fine.
Hey! He break my stool. He break my stool. He break. Hey, you broke my water tower. Give me that. Hey, I was so bad.
Oh, let's see.
I built.
Whoa, expensive equipment. Oh, good job. Looks very cool, buddy.
It's unexploded.
Okay, all right.
Now you can give it to me. What the heck have you had? Wait. No!
Hey,
Hey guys.
Can you not fight right here?
There's a TV right here.
Yeah, and put that back. Put it back for him. It's okay. It's just Legos.
Oh, come on.
All right, Mom. I want you to film up here because I'm gonna need your help, I think, to get it up into the cradle.
We should probably fast forward this. Oh no. Well,
Okay?
Okay. Hey guys. So this is one of the things that happens when TJ is doing projects.
Wow.
But he did not have enough clearance under the TV on the mount, so we had to pull the whole mount off, and he's remarking everything to re-drill holes. So we had to pause in between there to put the kids to bed, and so they're just going down, and so you can see how chaotic things are. But we're gonna finish up the mount, and we're still gonna get this thing up, and then TJ and I are gonna have movie night tonight once the kids are sleeping.
I'm going to drill 2 holes, put that thing up there, and fits first. Is that okay with you?
I was talking to
I'm gonna put my only drill 2 holes, put the mount up with 2 holes, and then we're just gonna kind of dry fit it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so it'll make more holes because I already have enough. So. Alright. Excuse my butt. My butt. Can't get my fingers in there. Is that enough? Okay, good. So, after some readjustment to the bracket, and it was a good thing we weren't recording because there's some non-PG rated language. But anyway, so we finally got this thing up and running, and we're gonna watch. What are we watching? Rogue One.
Rogue One.
So. I don't know if you can tell, but this TV is gigantic. Actually, you know what? Can we flip the... I'm gonna flip the light on real fast.
Are you remote controlling the Xbox with your
With my phone?
phone?
Yeah, I can do that. I don't have my phone right here. Oh, it's right there. But yeah, so the TV, we lowered the case, or lowered the bridge, so it literally is from almost the bottom all the way up, and there's a small tiny gap on either side. So this is quite large, and as it turns out, our computer is already ready for 4K. So we I'm super excited.
Yes. Hey lifers. So here's the thing. Last night, TJ actually thought that I was wrong about the size of our current TV, and he measured it this morning and he was right. We actually had a 42-inch TV. So we went from a 42 to a 55. And we watched Rogue One for the first time last night on our new TV. So gotta give a big thanks to Samsung because they totally did it right with the TV. It's a smart TV. We have a lot to set up on it yet, but it's really awesome. So I wanted to give you a quick shot of us watching the video on the TV. So let's roll it. So we got our new TV. What do you think, Quentin? It's good? Conrad, you like the TV?
No, I'm scared about it.
Oh, you're scared about it? Oh, I got a bit of a glare from this side. But,
Yeah, it does have a lot of glare because of the glass. But that's alright though.
we can keep our curtains drawn. So there you go. Still have a lot of cleaning up and everything to get organized again, but that's it. What do I want to see? Ooh, Conrad's making a bridge.
Then I could turn around. Then look at it.
Whoa, look at you. Yeah. And Dad and Emmett are over there cleaning up big Lego train set. Time to get it cleaned up so we can run the vacuum through again.